Here's a common problem: raw videos versus polished videos. Are your videos too good? Are you suffering the curse of a high-end camera? There's a hurdle holding a lot of you back. You're stuck in the same spot in life and in business because you're waiting until you can afford the newest camera on the market, or to hire a videographer because you want your videos to look polished. Why is that? Ask yourself why. PewDiePie, the world's biggest YouTuber, 110 million subscribers, shoots videos in his bedroom, and you're lucky when they're at 1080p. Gary Vee, the guy with all the hustle, shoots 50% of his content on his phone. The same phone you probably have right there in your hand. I used to wait, just like you. I wanted my videos polished, high-end, and cinematic. There's no doubt there's a time and place for those types of videos, but there's also a curse if your content comes out too clean. And here's why. If your video looks like an ad, people will treat it like one. And ads are notoriously overproduced, cinematic and clean. And the effect that has on the viewer is real. The physical response to an ad is that the viewer will move back in their seat. They may even slightly turn their heads. We're literally protecting ourselves from the sell. That's because we've been conditioned as kids that ads are loud and annoying and they're trying to sell us something. It's an all-round negative experience and our eyes pick it up from the first frame of video footage it sees. On the flip side, videos that are raw and a little bit bumpy match those made casually by your friends. They can still be advertising to a degree and that you're adding value or sharing knowledge, but the response from the viewer won't be one of assuming a position to protect themselves. Instead, they'll lean in, they'll listen more closely and observe your surroundings, like they're watching a video from a person they already have an established relationship with. So the question that you still need to answer is, are your videos too polished? Conduct some easy market research. Ask some people to watch your videos while you watch their body language. The answer will be obvious. Hey, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate anyone who watches all the way to the end of one of my videos. This is the part where I do the YouTube thing. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please consider leaving it a like below so that it feeds the algorithm and spreads these kinds of videos to people who are like-minded like yourself and wanting to learn more in this space. If you want to learn more about this type of content, the other step you need to take is to subscribe with the notifications bell on, so the next time I do upload a video, you get told about it and you don't miss out. Now, if you're interested in storytelling, personality-driven marketing, or even viral content, the next suggestion I have for you is to pick yourself up a copy of this book. It took me about 6 years of research to compact everything that I know into 220 pages. It's got exercises and free downloads and really is a great starting point for anyone wanting to set their voice and market themselves using video. It's available in the US, the UK, Australia, South Africa, Europe, and even New Zealand through all good bookstores. And of course, you can pick it up online via Amazon and Booktopia. It's called Like, Comment, Share, Buy. There's a link to the Amazon site down below. All I can say is it's a great read for anyone who's a beginner in this space, and I'm really proud of it. So if you want to help me out even, buy this book, give it as a gift, whatever you want to do. It's there. Anyway, that's all from me. Catch you on the next one. Peace.